Welcome back to the channel HS English. In our previous video, we discussed the summary of the poem My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das, which is in the core course for HS second year of Assam State School Education Board, as well as for class 12 of CBSE Board. So today we will discuss question pattern and a few questions of the poem. So question pattern is of 1 and 2 marks from poetry section. In poetry section, very short type question for 1 mark will come and 2 marks, that means short type questions will come. For 1 mark, students are suggested to write at least a sentence, not more than a sentence. And they are also suggested not to give the answer by a word only. And for 2 marks, they are suggested to write the answer between 30-40 words. And some extracts from the poem will also come in exam. In extract also, the question pattern will be the same. That means very short type questions for 1 mark and short type questions for 2 marks. So before going to the textbook question, we will discuss a few middle questions also. Here in this poem, the poet has used synonyms in the same line like pain and ache, wan and pale, etc. So question may arise here. Why does the poet use synonyms in same line? The poet has used synonyms in same line like pain and ache to mean extreme level of distress or pain. Like that, the poet has used synonyms like wan and pale to mean the extreme level of weakness. So next question may arise regarding simile, because in the latter part of the poem, we have seen that the poet has used a simile, an apt simile or appropriate simile. So here question may arise, what is a simile? Or another question may arise, why does the poet use a simile? So first of all, what is a simile? A simile is such a figure of speech in which two dissimilar figures are compared to find out at least one similar point using like, so, as. So next question may arise, why does the poet use simile in the poem My Mother at 66? The mother has been compared to the late winter's moon. Late winter's moon seems hazy, not clear, without any sign, due to fog. Like that, the mother of the narrator is also lacking all her shine, strength, charm, and she is very weak, like late winter's moon. So the poet has used an apt or appropriate simile in this regard. So some other 1 mark question will be very easy to handle for the students in exam. So now we will go straight to the textbook question. In textbook question, the question number 1 is, what is the kind of pale and ache that the poet feels? The poet feels pain and ache when she has noticed her old, inactive mother, who seems very wan, pale, and totally inactive like a corpse. The poet or the narrator is aware of the fact that aging is a natural process and decay and death come with aging. The insecurity of losing her mother has given painful thought in the mind of the poet. In our next video, we will discuss the rest of the question and answer. So keep watching the channel HS English and subscribe it. Thank you.